Reg plate numbers?
Yeah.
No.
You were looking into the car park there as we were leaving. It looked like you were writing down reg plate numbers.
No, I wasn't.
You were?
Let's
You
just
were?
see your
Yeah, I
notepad
saw you
then.
staring at registers and you were writing them down.
I think your behaviour's
Can
weird.
I take your name?
No, thank you.
Why not?
I'd like to keep it.
On October 3rd, 2024, in the UK, auditor Reggie Potato from the Corn Season Productions channel faced harassment from 2 police officers while lawfully exercising his right to film in a public area near a police station. The officers accused him of recording and noting down license plate information of vehicles parked inside the station. If you think the officers' behavior was strange, type lame in the comments below.
Sorry?
You okay?
Yeah, how are you?
What are you doing?
Just writing. Sorry? Reg plate numbers?
Yeah.
No.
You were looking into the car park there as we were leaving. It looked like you were writing down reg plate numbers.
No, I wasn't.
You were?
Let's
You
just
were?
see your
Yeah, I
notepad
saw you
then.
staring at registers and you were writing them down.
Well, what if I decide to offer up a free service to see if the tax and MOT? You can do that legally, right?
But why would you?
Yeah, but I'm not, but it's fully transparent. There's no registration plates on there. No, it's fine.
You had a you had a notepad.
No, this is the only thing I've got. Writing on this.
Let's have a look at it then.
No.
If it's fully transparent, then why can't I?
Well, look, you can see.
Let's have a look.
I've just showed you.
You keep moving it around and I can't read it, can I?
Can you see any registrations on there?
You're not letting me look long enough, mate.
Well, I don't have to. It's fully legal.
It's just a bit strange, mate, isn't it?
It's fully legal, this.
Can
Outside.
I see it? Can I see in your bag?
Odd, mate.
Pardon?
Can I see in your bag?
No,
Why not?
it's my bag.
If we're completely transparent, then why can't we be transparent?
You said you seen me writing registrations.
Yes, you kept looking
Anyway,
at it.
am I being detained?
What is going on with you?
I'm not writing registration plates down.
I find this behaviour really weird.
Seriously?
Yes.
I think your behaviour's
Can
weird.
I take your name?
No, thank you.
Why not?
I'd like to keep it.
I don't
Why won't you
understand
give
why
us your
think
details? You can't stand outside a police station, take photos of personal cars of people and write them down.
Oh, you
and
can
then
if you
not
wanted
give
to,
us
but that's
your-
not.
No, you
I've not.
can't, mate.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't.
I didn't say I was doing that though. You said I was doing
I
that.
watched it. I was sitting in there and I watched it.
I was writing notes outside here.
Yeah.
You said I was taking personal number plates down,
Yeah,
right?
you were. We've literally just sat and
staring
watched.
You said that I was.
Yeah, I've
You were
just sat
staring
and
at
watched
cars
it.
and you were literally
I was staring
looking
at.
up, writing something down and then looking down.
But you said number plates.
Oh, sorry.
You said number plates.
Yes.
Yeah, because you were writing them down.
It was so clear.
I'm showing you on a piece of
Your behaviour
perspex.
showed it.
But you said number plates, right?
Yeah.
So, I'm telling you that I'm not writing people's number plates
Well,
down.
you're so being so cagey about it because you just.
No, but what I am saying, if I wanted to write people's number plates down, I could still. There's nothing
It's very
illegal.
it's very
But I'm
odd
telling
behaviour.
you that I'm not doing that, and you're saying that I am.
Well, what were you doing then?
I'm writing.
Writing what?
That's what I'm saying. It's on a need-to-know basis.
Well, why are you staring into the car park,
I'm
writing things down on that?
There's nothing illegal about that, miss. Anyway,
still
can I ask you a
Can I
question?
take your details?
No, thank you.
What is
Am
your
I
name?
being-
We're
am
going
I-
to need to verify you before
No,
you
you're
go.
not.
Yeah, we do.
I've not committed any crimes. You
Tell me
can't.
your
Do you
name.
not understand how weird and really concerning the behaviour is?
Sir, if you can't start calling me weird, I will say you're weird.
I'm calling behaviour weird.
What, by writing in a street?
Yeah, because, no, by walking into the car park and looking at cars and writing.
You said I was looking at the cars.
Yes, you were.
But you don't know what my eyes are looking at when I can see.
Your behaviour's showing something.
You have said that I'm writing number plates down. I have said I'm not. But I've also stated if I wanted to write number plates down,
Record the interaction, are you?
yes,
Yeah, on your glasses.
yes.
Okay, is this some sort of YouTube?
Am I being detained? That's
I'm asking the question.
I need to ask you a question. Am I being
Is
detained?
it for YouTube?
Am I being detained?
Is it for YouTube?
Am I being detained?
Yeah, do you have ID on you and I can verify
Am
you
I
and
being
we can let
detained,
you go?
miss?
You're not being detained.
Right,
No,
I'm
no.
free to go then.
Can
Okay.
I have
thank
your
you.
ID and
No,
everything,
thank
so-
you. And guess what? It's out of MOT, so
I
can't.
know,
So what I'm-
Why
do
don't you
check.
just worry about your own car, mate? You don't need to
No,
worry about
why don't
anything
you
else,
worry
then.
about yourself other than me then?
We are.
Because
Yeah,
I'm
you
telling
worry
you
about
that
your
I
own
wasn't
vehicle,
writing
then
these
your
number
own
plates
self.
down.
You don't need to be checking other people's. It's none of your business.
No, no, no. Wait, it can be my
No, it
business.
doesn't need to be,
It can be though, because it's not illegal.
Alright.
But I didn't say I was here for that. I was giving you an alternative in regards to, say for instance, I was writing number plates down, which I wasn't. That is what you can do for free, using my own analogy of my own vehicle, right? What if he's no MOT on that vehicle there, and he has a crash? Is his insurance void? Say for instance someone rolled up today and
Either way.
but it's still not illegal, sir.
We'll agree to disagree, aren't we?
Pardon?
We'll agree to disagree, but we've explained why we're stopping.
But you shouldn't tell lies. You told lies,
I
Paul.
didn't say- I
You
didn't say
did.
it
You
was
said
said.
you seen me take number plates
Yeah,
down. I didn't.
That's what I
believe
believed you were doing.
Yeah.
But I didn't know.
Your behaviour. That's what your behaviour. That's what your behaviour was saying.
I rocked up here, right?
Walking close to
Within
the barrier.
seconds, you come out
Walking close
and you
to the
accuse me
barrier.
of taking back
Yeah,
registration.
looking at Reg's,
I wasn't looking at Reggie's.
okay, well, I said we'll agree to disagree, but I think that's what you were doing. So that's
But what happens if someone comes to take Reggie's? Are you gonna? Are you gonna?
That's where we'll leave it.
Yeah, but are you gonna act like that with them? Because I've not done that. I've not took Reggie's. I'm not here for anybody's registrations or personal details, but you can't get them anyway off DVLA.
Well, I mean, are you done here now?
No, I'm in the. I've got a lot of writing to do in the area.
Were you done here?
Well, no.
No.
I wanted to chill out.
Nice.
Okay. Can I have your call numbers, please?
Yes, 723.
And yours, miss.
8135.
Thank you very much.
While Reggie was filming and taking notes, he was accused of recording license plates and personal information. Despite his clear assertion that his actions were lawful and did not infringe on privacy, the two officers appeared suspicious and demanded Reggie's personal information without presenting any evidence. This led to a tense exchange, during which Reggie remained composed, calmly explaining his rights and calling out the officers for their misuse of authority and unfounded accusations. The incident underscores the need for transparent law enforcement and a thorough understanding of citizens' rights. What are your thoughts on the cops' behavior in this situation? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out this next video for more wild police-citizen interactions.